Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, it's Young Water reporting to you live with that action. I'm here at the dealership with another behind the scenes footage from the dealership. Today we got 3 new cars in one day. We are gonna stock them all in, take some pictures, go over some of the cars, go over some things we do here at the dealership. And it is hot today, so when we're out there, we're gonna take these pictures, get them done, and come back inside as soon as possible. Stay tuned, let's get to work. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, before we go outside, we're gonna go ahead. We're actually in my office right now. We're gonna go ahead and print the buyer's guide and the window sticker. The buyer's guide is just the California as is form, and the window sticker has the price, the mileage, and everything for the car. These are some stickers that we're gonna be putting on the vehicle. These are all just leads that different people that we call every single day. These just came in this morning, so we have to call those customers. This is just some work that has added up on my desk. I need to give these people all a call and see if they're still interested and when we can get them down here. Let's get started. All right, vehicle number 1, the Volkswagen CC. So I pretty much start off by going around in 360 degrees, get a whole rotation around the vehicle, then open up the doors, the hood, the trunk, and get some more additional pictures. Then after I'm done getting the exterior, it's off to the interior. I get up inside. Fucking hot. Oh my god, I am sweating bricks in here outside. We're done with the first car and we got 2 more to do. All right guys, we're gonna take a little break from pictures because we just finished running some errands and now it looks like we have one of our customers here. He's a good friend of mine. He's out there talking with Vasu, and we might have a deal on the red Challenger 2015. So before we finish up these pictures, we have to see because we might have a potential sale. So stay tuned for more. Let's see if we can get this guy a new car today. All right, so we have our guest here that is taking off. They're actually gonna be coming back with mom and dad, and he's gonna be getting a co-signer. So since we couldn't get him approved, he's fortunate enough to have parents that want to help him out and achieve his goals. So that's cool with Adam, and that's great news for him. Hopefully he'll be back to buy the last car. We got second car. This is the 2014 Audi A4, and this vehicle is just out of this world. I mean, this is a luxury high-end line vehicle. It's all-wheel drive. This is the S line, so you just pop it in sports. You'll be able to use the paddle shifters. I still do the same routine, the 360 degrees, and opening up the hood, the trunk, the doors, and getting a full 360 degrees for the vehicle. All right, guys, as you can tell, I'm sweating. It is over 100 degrees, but we just finished the second car. We just finished up the 2014 Audi A4 S line, and we are gonna park it in its spot because we are done with these pictures. And the last car that we have to take pictures of is a car I used to own when I was younger, and that's a Subaru WRX. Probably one of the funnest cars to drive at the two cars that we just finished pictures with. There they are, the Volkswagen CC and the Audi, all done, advertised, ready for sale. We'll be back with some more action. Hold on. Oh my god. Alright, we're getting close to the end of the video, and this is the Subaru WRX I was telling you guys about. This is a 2017. This is all-wheel drive. This is kind of like a mountain car. I mean, all-terrain, snow, water, ice. This car is absolutely amazing, and it's a 4-cylinder with a turbo in there, so it's super easy to work on. It's actually good on gas, and if you put some work into it, some aftermarkets, it will go super fast. That's what I love about these Subies. It's kind of like experiment on yourself with your own car, and man, the amount of fun you can have with these is, I can't even put it on pen and paper. Well, there you have it, guys. We are all done for the day. We finished up our pictures. We added 3 new vehicles to our inventory here at the dealership, and it is just another blessing. Today has been amazing. There's a lot of things that go on behind the scenes that we don't have time to record and put on film, but man, we are constantly working, constantly moving, answering phones, answering emails, credit applications, parts, calling for customers, checking on gas, registration, license plates. I mean, the list goes on and on and on. But at the end of the day, we are happy to be here. We love what we do. I love selling cars. It is my family business that has been going on for 21 plus years. I'm fortunate and lucky enough to have my dad by my side and my family pushing me and thriving me to be a better person and pushing me to carry on the family business. I want to thank all my subscribers. You guys are great. You guys are the reason why I keep pushing every single day. I'm seeing the activity grow on the channel. It's like we started with 0 subscribers. We're already 600 plus and over 2K hours watched. We are halfway there, actually more than halfway, to get monetized on YouTube. That is my goal. I'm gonna keep dropping amazing content, keep doing these dealership videos at the car lot, showing you guys new cars that come in, behind the scenes. I mean, whatever you guys want to see, whatever you guys want to watch, just let me know. I mean, the list goes on and on of the amount of videos and content. Let me know what you guys want to see, what you guys want me to review. I mean, there's a whole bunch of cars here and just some time on my hands, so let's go. Thanks for subscribing. Stay tuned for more content. Let's go.